Dashboards in Dusk FSM give you real-time visibility across your entire operation. From fieldwork and dispatch to projects, forms, staff performance, and sales, everything can be monitored from one central view. Today you'll see how dashboards work, how they control roles, what dashboards are available, and how to configure them for your team. Before you enter the dashboard screen, it's important to understand something critical. Dashboard tabs are controlled by roles. Navigate to Personnel, Staff, and then the Roles tab. Once you're in the Roles tab, scroll down to Dashboards and you'll find the pre-built dashboards in here. That means staff managing field teams can see dashboards, operations managers see another, and executives see their own dashboards. They're completely permission-driven. Once the change has been made, scroll down and press Save. Now navigate to the Dashboard menu. To access that, click the cogs here to add tiles. When you first sign up, you'll see work status tiles like these and setup progress tiles, and also some useful operational widgets which can be dragged on. So you just drag them over and they will resize for you. Each tile itself can be individually resized using the arrows here. So if you take this one, you can move it over, you can resize it, and you can make sure that it fits on the screen for your browser. You can click into each tile, so if you've got individual settings within a tile, there's a secondary menu here. Once you're in, you're able to see if there are specific things that need to be configured. You can choose the source of data. If it's a map-based tile, you'll need a location field from the form, which you'll see in a moment. If there's a drop-down list, you can choose a type field and display that. You can also show your staff. Some dashboard tiles connect to the work operations forms, such as assets. You can dispatch from there as well, which you'll see how to do shortly. The Verizon Connect live crew management can be seen in here as well. So once you're happy, lock the tile here. You can see Verizon Connect trucks here, and just at the top on the right, you've got a lasso tool. So what you can do is drag around this area and it will pull up unassigned work and trucks here. You can see other equipment, associated staff, and you can see the crew that is logged into the truck, along with their skills. You can also schedule and dispatch from this view directly to the Verizon Connect trucks that are running the Dusk FSM mobile application. Up here, you've got different work statuses. You can filter by them so they show the data that you want to see. So you can go here and then you've got a View tab there. This links directly out to that view automatically. Scrolling down here, you've got individual work. We can toggle across different statuses there. Next, we have the street and sky tile. You've got the different colors and temperatures there. You've got satellite view and you've got map view. You can also drag the street view pegment over, which helps with a visual understanding of how a particular area looks like ahead of a field visit. You can navigate and pan around as well. To navigate back, you just press this arrow. It offers all the zoom features too. We're going to look at assets here, which is one of the default job operation forms. However, you can create your own and customize your own dashboard tile to display location-based information that matches your business. Our work operations video explains in detail how to do this. You can create a new form for anything with a location that your business visits or manages in the field. Next, click on Settings cog on the left of the form, and there's a drop-down field called Map Labels. You can choose any of these labels, which then display as a tooltip on your map dashboard. You can then visualize your location data on the map and configure it by pressing the small cog in the top corner of the tile that we saw earlier. Drop-down lists can be used as checkbox filters. You can show staff and even lasso staff with your location-based data to dispatch work out to. So, for example, if you go to this one here, you can have a look and you can see where particular assets are. You can show unassigned work too on the same map tile. Across the very top here, you've got different dashboards. With Program Manager, you can choose different projects. Click on any of these to drill in. You've got the Task Manager one in here as well. Here on the left, you have work types and categories, which is step 3 from the work settings screen, showing an example of vegetation management. And this is how you choose vegetation management in here. This is for categorizing work types for easy filtering. Scroll down and see the different information in here. The Resource Manager contains a lot of information that's very applicable for staff utilization, requests, expiring skills, team capacity, and crew assignments. It's fully filterable by date range as well. Next, you've got the Projects dashboard. This has timeline views and current project tracking. There are progress summaries in here as well. You can link out to the project itself and also resize it as appropriate. The last one you have in here is the Form Manager. On the left are all the forms. And what you can do in here is have a look and find a particular form. What we're showing in here are donut charts that can be used to show yes and no fields, drop-down values, and submission activity. Back on the dashboard, to recap, Verizon Connect trucks show information here if you've got that connector plugged in. You've now seen how to customize the tiles and how to reorder these in any particular sequence you want. So remembering dashboards are only visible if you're assigned in roles. If someone can't see a dashboard, it's controlled in Personnel, Roles, and Dashboards in here. Dashboards in Dusk FSM are designed to scale with your organization. So as your team grows, as your projects expand, as compliance requirements increase, your dashboards evolve with you. Gain real-time visibility, role-based access, and operational clarity. Thank you. We hope you enjoyed this video walkthrough.